Man, Munnar is something else. I tell you, Munnar is something else. Just look at this. Just look at this beautiful scenery. Green hills as far as the eye can see, mist rolling in, and these roads, oh god, absolutely perfect for a ride. This is what a motorcycling trip is all about. And the Interceptor, oh, how can I miss that? It's such a lovely machine. The way it pulls through these curves, smooth as butter. You don't even have to think about it. Just roll on the throttle, lean in, and it flows. No jerks, no struggle, just pure, effortless riding. This is why I love this machine so much. You know, a car, I was wondering, could it ever give you this feeling? Sitting inside, watching all of this beauty through a glass window? Nah, that's not really my thing. But on a bike, this bike, you feel everything. The cool breeze, the scent of the leaves, and even the tiny temperature drops that happen as you pass through some shaded areas. It's like nature is talking to you. Look at that valley. That's beautiful. And the best part, you don't just see it, you become a part of it. You are not a spectator. You are in the scene, breathing it all in, riding through it, and feeling every bit of it. This stretch right here, just perfect. Open road, gentle curves, no rush, no noise, just me, this motorcycle, and this insane view. Now, given that it's the month of May, obviously it's peak summertime, so we are, you know, going to see some crowd. That's not unnatural because summers and hill stations make the best combination. But this is something that kind of reminds me as to why I love doing this so much. It's not just about the destination, it's about moments like these. Moments where you slow down, soak it all in, and realize, man, life is good. Alright, so next stop, maybe a chai break or something? Well, let's see what's up ahead. So until I stop, enjoy the scenery with me, and do let me know in the comments how you guys are liking this. If I have been able to inspire you a little bit towards purchasing a motorcycle if you don't have one already. If you are a four-wheeler guy, well, just get yourself a motorcycle and then experience pure motorcycling through these kind of pure and beautiful nature and landscape. Well, enjoy it. बहुत लोग आए हुए हैं यार. Seems like a lot of crowd is here from different parts of
I would say mostly South India, given the fact that it's a hill station. Obviously, hill stations are great places to visit during the summertime. I hope that you are liking this vlog. Now I was making a reel on Instagram along with her, on which I was showing you the live feed from our journey as we are crossing Munnar and to reach Tamil Nadu in Coimbatore. And a lot of you joined us, so we love that. However, the battery of my phone got drained out, so that's why it had to be stopped. Could not help it. Now these hills are so huge. Look at this, man.